In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best font combinations in your design. To get started, open your design if you already have one in progress, or create a new design from scratch. Either option works, so just choose the one that fits what you're working on today. The goal here is to get into the editing workspace so you can access the text tools and explore font pairing options directly inside your project. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Text. This is where you'll find all the text-related tools, including headings, subheadings, body text, and suggested style options. If you're trying to improve the overall look of your design, this section is especially useful because font choices can make a big difference in how polished and readable your content feels. After that, scroll down through the text panel until you reach the font combinations section. This area is designed to help you discover fonts that work well together, which is helpful if you want your design to look cohesive without spending too much time testing pairings manually. As you browse, you'll see different preset combinations that can give you inspiration for titles, subtitles, and supporting text. This is a great option if you're not completely sure which fonts match well, or if you want a quicker way to build a clean visual style. If you already have a specific font in mind, you can use the search feature instead. Simply search for the font you want to use, and the platform will generate the best matching combinations for that font. This can save a lot of time, especially if you already know the style you want for your main text, but need help choosing a secondary font that complements it. It's also useful for keeping your branding consistent while still making your layout feel visually balanced. As you review the generated combinations, pay attention to how the fonts look together in terms of contrast, tone, and readability. A strong font pairing usually feels intentional, easy to read, and visually pleasing without being distracting. Try to choose combinations that match the mood of your design, whether that's modern, elegant, playful, or professional. And that's it. By opening your design, going to the text menu, exploring the font combinations section, and using search when you already have a font in mind, you can quickly find font pairings that make your design look more refined and professional.